You want to create content, however, you don't know how to start. Hi. I'm Matilda, and this August I'm going to be holding an online class via my new YouTube channel, Money Moves with Matilda. So if you want to create content, you don't know how to start, no experience, no skills, I got you covered. Yeah, I got you covered. You don't have any problems, because I'm going to guide you. I'm going to hold your hand step by step. This class is loaded. We're going to start from scratch, just using your phone. I'm going to teach you. These are the things you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to create content. You're going to learn how to be confident on this camera. If you're the shy type, don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to teach you how to create content from scratch. I'm going to teach you how to be confident camera. I'm going to teach you how to grow your audience. I'm going to teach you the apps that content creator, as every content creator, the apps you need to create content. And I'm going to teach you how to make or turn your passion into money. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your passion. So if this sounds like you, just stay tuned. I'm going to create a new channel, Money Moves with Matilda. That's going to be the name of my new YouTube channel, Money Moves with Matilda. So I'll be hosting the online class there every week. I must make sure that everybody that wants to be a content creator becomes a content creator. There are going to be exercises. It's going to be a practical class, a practical session, and at the end of that class, you're going to have your own exams. You must create content before you leave. It's an unending session. It's an unending online class that I'm going to be holding this August. It's going to start this August. It's not going to end. It's going to be continuous until everybody becomes a content creator. Everybody monetizes. I'm going to be here teaching you every week. So just keep tuned, stay tuned. Whenever I post a video, watch it, because the link for the class might just be in that particular video or in the description of that particular video. But it's going to happen this August. I'm yet to create the channel. Once I create it, I'm going to put the link and announce it. But for now, this will let you know. And anybody that I've already told in July that the class is going to hold and are still waiting, I want you to know that it's still going to hold. Okay, so keep tuned, stay tuned. I'm here for you, rooting for you. You must create that content. You must monetize. Okay.
You must get monetized. You must get monetized.
Amen.
Hey.
You're not going to share. Don't come here. It's you. You're not going to share. Don't go. I don't know your face anymore. Hello. Say hello, but don't show your face. You don't have it. I don't want to.
Hello.
Yes, sir.